Today we're going to talk about LUTs and how to make it look better when you place them on your footage. Let's jump into it. Before we start the tutorial, if you guys are new to the channel and you want to become a better videographer, a better editor, a better creator, please subscribe. You will not regret it. So I have my shot here, which was shot in a log format, and I want to add a LUT and tweak the LUT to make sure it looks its best. So my personal favorite way of doing that is by using MLUT by Motion VFX. This is a free application, I think it would be called. Last time I checked, it was free at least. And this one allows you to change the contrast, intensity, color, hue, if you would like. We're not going to go over that today though. And I'm going to press Command 6 to open up my effects as well as my color board. I'm going to press this effects button right here, and then I will load my custom LUT, which I downloaded online, which is suited for log format. That's important, as you want to find a LUT that matches your color profile. And so now that that's on, that already looks good, but most people stop here, but you want to tweak your LUT a little bit more to make sure it looks the best it can. So I'm going to press Command 7 to open up my scopes. I'm going to want the Luma waveform here, vector scope as well because of skin tones, but I'm not going to go over that into detail. I did a video on skin tones if you want to check that out. But we're going to move over to our color board or color wheels, whatever you prefer, and the goal of this is to expand the dynamic range of the shot. You can see how it's crunched up here. I want to extend it up and extend it down and make sure the skin tones are accurate. So I push up the master to about 100 anymore, and it's a kind of a high key look. I'm going to bring my shadows all the way down to 0. Any lower and you're crushing your blacks, and my skin tones are going to actually want to be right here, so that's good. I may lower it a tad bit. These are the exposure sliders. Nope, I'm actually not going to do that. I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to increase the saturation a little bit. And it's ready, pretty much. If you take off the color wheels, you can see what we did. It pops a lot more than it did without color grading. So I recommend you do this with every LUT that you add. And that's it. It's really simple. I hope this helped you guys. Don't forget to like and comment below. Questions, concerns, anything. Have a great day.